Hey everyone, me Kevin here. A few updates on the day. So this morning in the course member live stream, I talked about how potentially we have hit some massive margin calls this morning, and I think that's why we saw some crazy lows, including Tesla down at a bottom of about 680 today, which is pretty wild. But I do want to also touch on Rivian and a few updates on Elon Musk and Tesla. So let's touch on those. So Rivian recalled just over 500 vehicles due to faulty airbags. This is a little bit of an issue given that they've just delivered a few thousand vehicles, most of them to employees, and so it's sending concerns about essentially a lack of manufacturing confidence in a company that's probably going to have to look for a liquidity raise or a massive injection of capital within the next year to continue to fund their operations. At the same time, the SEC is now probing Elon Musk, according to the Wall Street Journal. Apparently, Elon Musk was supposed to disclose his Twitter shares once he crossed 5% on March 14th. He was supposed to disclose this stake on March 24th, but he did not file his required SEC form until April 4th. The Wall Street Journal is claiming that Elon Musk may have saved $143 million by not reporting his trades that crossed the 5% mark. That's because as soon as Elon Musk actually disclosed his trades, Twitter's share price skyrocketed. Now, some argue that this could potentially be no accident. How could the richest person in the world not have legal staff to be aware of this timing? They probably were aware of this. So then it raises questions, were they just playing the game of, well, I mean, let's not buy too much to where we're moving markets or making somebody think that something big is happening, right? I mean, all of a sudden, if you have huge buying pressure, the stock moves up all in one day, so you have to spread it out. And it also sends signals that maybe somebody big is buying those shares, right? So, they try to spread it out, and the argument might be, hey, look, if we can save, well, in hindsight here, $143 million by buying Twitter shares cheaper to get to that 9.2% stake where Elon Musk is, maybe the belief is that, well, 143 minus what, a $10 million fine for filing the form 10 days late? Hashtag worth, although obviously the SEC might consider that 4D chess move and then consider punitive damages above and beyond that, though any sort of damages from this are unlikely to derail at all the transaction with or the purchase of Twitter. At the same time, according to Bloomberg, Elon Musk is now in talks to raise enough equity and preferred financing for his proposed buyout of Twitter. Keep in mind that we've got a lot of talk right now that special purpose vehicles are being formed to recruit investors to essentially invest in Twitter. And if you pool enough shares, you could potentially just have multiple funds that are part of the 1,999 shareholder count that we're allowed to have. And once you get above 2,000, you can't really be private anymore. And so the goal there might be, hey, if you're an accredited investor, you just hop into an SPV and you're able to get access to Twitter. And if Elon Musk can, double or triple, hey, well, there you go. Then you get a potential win, right? So leave me a comment down below, by the way, if that's something that you would be interested in. I'll pin a comment. Just leave a reply comment or something like that, like interested in learning more about those SPVs or whatever. Maybe I'll make a video about this. But it also doesn't surprise me that Elon Musk is wanting to get out of margin when Tesla's kind of been down as much as 30% in just a week. So can't really blame him for wanting to get out of margin. I think the last thing you want to be in a bear market or recession is margin. So anyway, stay safe out there. Make sure to check out the programs on Building Your Wealth. We've got massive course member lives. We even had Ben Mall in a course member live stream this morning. So if you're not in it yet, you're missing out. All right, folks, I miss you. We'll see you soon. Bye. Use that coupon code. Expires in 5 days. Bye.